Welcome to my channel. This story is about hope, struggle, and never giving up. 17-year-old Ali lived in a small town where people worked hard but spoke little English. Ali's dream was to speak English fluently and inspire others to do the same. He wanted to travel, teach, and write stories in English, but every attempt he made seemed to fail. At school, he was shy, struggled with pronunciation, and felt embarrassed when classmates laughed at his mistakes. His parents wanted him to focus on practical work, like helping in their small shop, but Ali felt a fire inside him that refused to die. One rainy evening, Ali sat alone in his room, staring at a blank notebook, his heart heavy with doubt. The words he tried to write came out wrong. Sentences jumbled, and his confidence shattered. Tears rolled down his cheeks as he whispered to himself, "Maybe I'm not meant for this." Just then, his mother entered quietly, placing a cup of tea beside him. She smiled gently and said, "Ali, failure is a lesson, not the end. Keep trying." Those words lingered in his heart. The next morning, Ali decided to take one small step. He opened his notebook, wrote 5 new sentences, even though they were imperfect, and read them aloud. He made mistakes, stumbled, but kept going. That small act gave him a sense of accomplishment. For the first time, he felt that maybe English wasn't impossible. Days passed, and he began practicing every morning and evening, determined to improve no matter what. Little did he know, a mentor was about to enter his life, someone who would guide him, challenge him, and change his journey forever. Ali's dream had only just begun. Chapter 2. Ali's determination did not go unnoticed. One afternoon, while browsing an online English learning forum, he stumbled upon a message from Mr. Rahim, a retired English teacher known for helping struggling students succeed. Ali hesitated at first but sent a polite message explaining his struggles and his dream to speak English fluently. A few days later, a reply arrived saying, "I will help you, but you must promise to work hard every day." Ali felt a rush of excitement he had never felt before. That weekend, he met Mr. Rahim at the local library, a small, cozy place filled with books. Mr. Rahim listened carefully as Ali spoke, broken English, nodding with encouragement. He didn't criticize. Instead, he gave Ali practical exercises like reading aloud, repeating sentences, and writing short stories. At first, it was frustrating. Ali stumbled over simple words, mispronounced sentences, and even forgot basic grammar rules. But Mr. Rahim's patience never wavered. "Mistakes are proof that you are learning," he would say with a smile. Ali also discovered a group of students who practiced English together. They laughed at mistakes but encouraged one another, making Ali feel included and motivated. Some days were discouraging, especially when he couldn't pronounce a single sentence correctly. Yet, each day he wrote more, read more, and slowly began noticing small improvements. His friends started asking him questions in English, and he responded with growing confidence. Even his parents noticed a change in him, praising his persistence. Ali realized that this was not just about learning English, it was about discipline, courage, and belief in himself. With Mr. Rahim's guidance and daily practice, Ali started seeing English not as a hurdle, but as a challenge he could overcome. He had found a mentor who didn't just teach him language, but taught him perseverance. Ali's journey had taken a major step forward, and the world of English felt a little less intimidating. Chapter 3. After 3 months of steady practice, Ali's confidence had grown, but a real challenge awaited him, a local English-speaking competition. He had never spoken in front of a large audience before, and the thought made his hands sweat. Mr. Rahim encouraged him, saying, "This is your chance to test your skills. Even if you fail, you will learn more than you can imagine." Ali began preparing diligently, practicing speeches in front of mirrors, recording himself, and correcting pronunciation errors. His friends offered support, sometimes teasing him, but also cheering him on. The day of the competition arrived, and Ollie's heart pounded as he stepped onto the stage. The room was filled with people, all confident and fluent. Ali's first words trembled, and a few sentences were unclear. He wanted to run off the stage, but he remembered his mother's words. Keep trying. Taking a deep breath, he continued, focusing on clarity rather than perfection. The audience noticed his determination and clapped encouragingly. Ali didn't win first place, but he received a special mention for effort and courage. He returned home exhausted but proud. That evening, he wrote in his notebook, reflecting on the experience. I faced fear and spoke. That is progress. Mr. Rahim reminded him, every challenge you face prepares you for greater victories. Today, you learn more about yourself than any textbook could teach. Ali realized that failure didn't mean the end. It meant growth. He also noticed something new. His friends were inspired by him, wanting to try speaking English themselves. Ali felt a surge of pride, not for winning, but for pushing himself beyond comfort. The lesson was clear. Real growth comes when you face fear and continue despite mistakes. This experience ignited a new fire in Ali, motivating him to work even harder, practice longer, and prepare for the next big opportunity that life would present. English was no longer just a skill, it was a journey of courage, perseverance, and self discovery. Chapter 4. Ali's journey was not always smooth. After months of progress, he encountered a major setback. His family faced financial difficulties, and Ali had to work part-time in a small shop to help. Long hours and exhaustion made it difficult to practice English. His confidence wavered, and frustration built up. One evening, after a long day of work, Ali tried reading a passage aloud but stumbled repeatedly. Tears filled his eyes as he thought, maybe I can't do this. Mr. Rahim noticed the change during their next meeting. Instead of criticism, he shared his own story of struggle and perseverance. Ali, he said, success is not a straight line. Life will test your will. What matters is that you keep showing up. Encouraged by these words, Ali reorganized his schedule. Early mornings became his study time, and late evenings were for practice, no matter how tired he felt. He also started small group sessions with friends, practicing conversations, correcting each other, and celebrating tiny victories. Progress was slow, but every day, Ali noticed improvement in pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. His family, seeing his commitment, supported him emotionally, cheering every small success. The setbacks taught Ali patience and discipline. He learned to prioritize, focus on what mattered, and accept that growth required sacrifice. Months of consistent effort strengthened not only his English skills, but also his character. Ali realized that perseverance during tough times builds resilience, the kind that prepares a person for greater opportunities. Slowly, Ali started noticing his friends seeking his advice, looking up to him as someone who overcame obstacles. These moments fueled his motivation further, reminding him why he started. Ali understood that setbacks were not the end, but stepping stones to success. The fire within him burned brighter, and his journey toward mastery of English continued with renewed determination and courage. Chapter 5. A year had passed since Ali began his journey, and now he faced the ultimate test, a national English storytelling competition. Nervousness gripped him as he saw participants from other cities, all seemingly fluent and confident. Memories of past failures flashed through his mind, but so did the lessons he had learned: patience, practice, courage, and perseverance. Mr. Rahim reminded him, Ali, focus on effort, not fear. Speak from your heart. Ali spent days preparing, writing, and rewriting his story, practicing articulation, gestures, and expressions. On the day of the competition, he felt the weight of expectation, but also a quiet confidence. As he stepped onto the stage, he remembered every small step, practicing in the rain, reading aloud in his room, overcoming ridicule, and balancing work with learning. He began speaking, his voice steady, his words clear. The audience listened attentively, some nodding, some smiling. Ollie's story was not perfect, but it was real, heartfelt, and inspiring. By the end, the applause was loud and sincere. Ollie won second place, an achievement that felt monumental. Yet, he realized the true victory was not the trophy, but the journey, the countless hours of practice, the struggles he endured, and the growth he achieved. Friends, family, and Mr. Rahim celebrated his effort and determination. Ali understood that success is not always about being first, but about surpassing your previous limits. The competition became a symbol of perseverance paying off, showing that consistent effort, learning from mistakes, and refusing to quit could lead to extraordinary outcomes. Ali's journey had transformed him into not just a better English speaker, but a person of courage, patience, and unwavering determination. Chapter 6. Ali's journey in learning English had come full circle. From a shy, hesitant 17-year-old, he had grown into a confident young man capable of speaking, writing, and inspiring others. The journey was never easy. There were failures, setbacks, doubts, and moments when giving up seemed tempting. But every challenge became a lesson, every mistake a stepping stone. Ali realized that mastery is built on perseverance, discipline, and consistent effort. His story was no longer just about learning English, it was about life. He understood that courage means trying even when afraid, that success is earned through patience and practice, and that support from mentors, friends, and family can make even the hardest journey achievable. Today, Ali speaks English fluently, mentors others, and shares his story to motivate young learners everywhere. And this is the message for you. Start today, no matter how small the step. Embrace mistakes, keep practicing, and never let fear stop you. Every effort counts, every day brings growth. Believe in yourself, work hard, and remember that failure is only a lesson in disguise. So take the first step, keep going, and transform your dreams into reality. Your journey starts now, and like Ali, you can achieve greatness if you refuse to give up.